How to fix Cash App login issue. If you're having issues logging into your Cash App account, there could be various reasons in the process. The first thing you could try to do is check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, it could be there could have been some kind of issue with your account. If you have your login information saved, try to re-log in or tap on sign into another account. Sometimes it could be that you're entering an incorrect credentials, so make sure that your phone number and email address that you entered is correct. And if you forgot your password, then you can tap on the need help logging in button over here, then tap on whatever you want, like your phone number, email or Cashtag. So if you have access to your phone number, select phone number. If you have access to your email, select email. If you want to know your Cashtag and then select that, select your Cashtag. So you can simply type in your Cashtag as well if you do remember your Cashtag over here. So let me go ahead and then enter my Cashtag here, then tap on the continue button. It will check if I have an account. So now I can simply choose an option to confirm that I own this account. But if you don't remember the Cash App pin, tap on I don't have any of these, which will take you to the next page where you can reset your password using a mobile or email. That way you should be able to fix the login issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.